Welcome to our garden escape, a world where petals dance in the breeze, where colors collide in harmony, and where every step along the path tells a story. Today, let's explore beautiful pathway and flower gardening ideas. Perfect for turning your backyard or front garden into a breathtaking sanctuary of color, scent, and serenity. Whether you're working with a small corner or sprawling lawn, there's something here to inspire everyone. So grab your gardening gloves, open your heart, and let's walk together through the possibilities. Let's begin with the path itself. A garden pathway isn't just a way to get from one place to another. It's an invitation, an experience, a journey. It should guide your guests through beauty, create anticipation, and offer pauses for reflection. But what makes a great garden path? There are a few timeless principles. Material matters. From rustic to refined, your path material sets the tone. Natural stone like flagstone or slate adds a timeless, earthy look. Gravel gives a casual, crunchy charm underfoot. Brick adds a structured, classic feel. Perfect for cottage-style gardens. Wooden planks or stepping stones work well in woodland settings, or even mosaic tiles for a burst of personality and color. Choose a material that matches the mood you want to create, and consider your local climate, maintenance level, and foot traffic. Lighting isn't just practical, it's magical. Use solar lanterns, string lights, or low-voltage LED uplights to guide the way after sunset. You can tuck lights into the path itself, line them along the borders, or hide them within shrubs for a subtle glow. A well-lit path adds safety and romance. Now that we've built our path, let's talk flowers. Flowers are the heartbeat of any garden. They offer color, fragrance, texture, and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. But more than that, flowers express emotion. They tell a story. So how do you design a garden that blooms beautifully all season long? Let's explore. Color is powerful. Use it to evoke mood. Cool tones like purples, blues, and whites bring calm and elegance. Warm colors like reds, oranges, and yellows bring energy and joy. Pastels create a dreamy, romantic feel. Monochrome gardens like all white or all purple are especially striking and modern. Think about what colors make you feel most at peace or most alive. Don't be afraid to experiment. A good flower bed is like a symphony. Start with tall anchor plants in the back, like delphiniums, hollyhocks, or sunflowers. Then add mid-height bloomers like coneflowers, daisies, or salvias. In the front, tuck in low-growing plants like alyssum, pansies, or creeping phlox. This layering creates depth and fullness. Mix in ornamental grasses or shrubs for contrast, movement, and year-round structure. The most magical gardens evolve through the seasons. Plant with succession in mind. Spring, tulips, daffodils, hyacinths. Summer, roses, daylilies, lavender, zinnias. Fall, asters, mums, sedum, ornamental kale. Winter, evergreen shrubs, hellebores, and red twig dogwood for color. With smart planning, your garden will never look off-season. Now let's take our ideas and apply them to specific themed garden beds alongside the path. Here are a few designs to inspire you. Overflowing, romantic, slightly wild. Use foxgloves, lavender roses, lupines, delphiniums, poppies, sweet peas. Let flowers spill onto the path a little. Add an old wooden gate or birdhouse for charm. Simple, soothing, peaceful. Use bamboo, ferns, hostas. Japanese forest grass, moss, ornamental cherry or maple trees. Add stone lanterns, water features, and clean lines. Use raked gravel or stepping stones for mindfulness. Buzzing with life, perfect for helping nature thrive. Use coneflowers, bee balm, black-eyed Susans, milkweed, coreopsis, salvia. Add a bee hotel or butterfly puddler. Avoid pesticides and plant in clusters to help pollinators find their favorites. Think beyond ground level. Add arbors or trellises over the path. Train clematis, jasmine, or morning glory to climb. Use obelisks or tomato cages wrapped in blooms. Verticality draws the eye up, making even small spaces feel grand. Nature sounds fade in, birds, breeze, trickling water. Gardens are more than just places. They are memories in bloom. They are peace in petals. They are our connection to the earth, to the seasons, and to ourselves. So whether you build a winding woodland path or a bright buzzing pollinator lane, whether you grow a sea of roses or a patch of wild,